Hello everyone, His Excellency Bishop Ephraim Narikulam, Bishop of the Chanda Diocese, Reverend Dr. Benny Joseph, CMI, Provincial, Marthoma Province, Chanda, Reverend Father Jose, Prior, Carmel Monastery, Chandrapur, Reverend Father Binoy, Principal, BGM Carmel Academy, Chandrapur, Reverend Father Jojo, Vice Principal, BGM Carmel Academy, Chandrapur, Dr. Praveen Pant, our parent representative, Mr. Nitin Gupta, the alumni president, respected parents, respected teachers, well-wishers, and all my dear Carmelites. This is Supriya Buldev, and with me are my co-hosts, Mrs. Deepika Deshmukh, Mrs. Asha Matthew, and Mrs. Shraddha Chandurwar, and we are delighted and privileged to host the historic event of BGM Carmel Academy, Chandrapur, Maharashtra, the silver jubilee of this esteemed institution. Jubilees are the occasions to recall the marvelous ways in which the school has fulfilled the mission in imparting quality education, moral and spiritual values, and instilling discipline among students to help build leaders who will contribute to the nation's development and growth. The celebration includes a plethora of exciting events, making it one of the most festive periods to cherish for a lifetime. It is an experience that, when we honor the past, we energize the future and the present becomes a celebration. Our principal, Reverend Father Binoy, and our vice principal, Reverend Father Jojo, have taken up this grand event with the same intention. Their untiring dedication and timely guidance, even for a minute thing, is commendable. So with this brief introduction, on behalf of all of us, I extend the Jubilee greetings to all, and let us have a proud feeling of being a Carmelite and witness this grand Silver Jubilee celebration of the school. Let us begin this program with a prayer song to the Almighty God, because prayer has the ability to change hearts, heal wounds, and grant wisdom. It is said that one song can change the moment, one idea can change the world, one step can start a journey, but a prayer can change the impossible. So let us invite Mrs. Sunita Gaikwad ma'am for a prayer song.
चेतना विश्वास दे, तू बुद्धि दे, तू तेज दे, नव चेतना विश्वास दे। जे सत्य सुंदर सर्वदा, जे सत्य सुंदर सर्वथा आजन्म त्याचा ध्यास दे, तू बुद्धि दे, तू तेज दे, नव चेतना विश्वास दे। हरवले आभाळ जाणते होतयांचा सोबती, सापडे ना वाट ज्यांना होतयांचा सारथी। हरवले आभाळ जाणते होतयांचा सोबती, सापडे ना वाट ज्यांना होतयांचा नवचेतना विश्वास दे.
Thank you, Sunita ma'am, for the soothing prayer song. It is now time to extend a warm welcome to our esteemed dignitaries. So for that, I request Neena ma'am to present the welcome address.
Hello everyone, this is Neena and I heartily welcome you all on behalf of BGM Carmel Academy Chandrapur for the prestigious occasion of our school celebrating its historic event of 25 years. I express my warm felicitations and greetings to everyone who are an incredible part of this great event. A well-known saying is, it is not just what we do, but more importantly, how we do matters. Over the years, with all humility, I would say that what started as a modest school on 8 July 1996 by a cadre of visionaries has today become one of the well-known and best schools in the Vidarbha region. It is an honor, privilege, above all, it's a blessing for me to welcome you all to this great celebration. Now let's give an official welcome to the dignitaries of the day. It gives me limitless pleasure to welcome the chief guest of the day, His Excellency Bishop Mar Ephraim Narikulam. Bishop Mar Ephraim Narikulam was ordained as a Catholic priest on 27 December 1986. He was elected as the bishop on 15 July 2014. His present designation is the Bishop of Chanda Diocese. His motto states, Thy Kingdom Come. He holds PhD in Theology. He was a professor of Systematic Theology, Toronto School of Theology, Canada. May I now request our beloved Father Principal, Reverend Father Binoy, to welcome Bishop Mar Ephraim Narikulam with a sapling. Thank you, dear Bishop and Father Principal. Moving ahead, now let me come to say something about a person who has been the inevitable part of Carmel Academy. Everyone related to the school has an equal hand, but without the powerful contribution of respected Provincial Reverend Dr. Benny, the school would not be the school we see today. Reverend Dr. Benny Joseph Mughal has completed his LLB on the 6th merit list. He holds PhD in English Literature. He was the chairman of the Board of Studies, Faculty of Law, Gondwana University. He was the vice principal of the SP College of Law. He was the principal of BGM Carmel Academy in the year 2008 to 2009 and a founder member of this esteemed institution. At present, he is the provincial of the CMI Marthama Province, Chanda. So may I now request our respected Reverend Father Jose Vadakemuri, the Prior, Carmel Monastery, Chandrapur, to welcome Dr. Benny with a sapling. Thank you, Father Benny and Father Jose. I also extend a cordial welcome to the President of the Parents Teachers Association of the school, the well-known doctor of the city, Dr. Praveen Pant. Along with him, I am also delighted to welcome all the parents who have been associated with the school for 25 years and have entrusted their precious children at our care. So may I now request our respected Vice Principal, Reverend Father Jojo, to welcome Dr. Praveen Pant with a sapling. Thank you, Dr. Pant and Father Jojo. It is indeed my great pleasure to welcome the alumni of our institution. Our alumni have established themselves as successful individuals in almost every field. And we are very proud of you, dear Carmelites. The President of the Alumni Committee, Mr. Nitin Gupta, is present with us. And now, may I request Mr. Sivadas Nair to welcome Mr. Nitin Gupta with a sapling. Thank you, Nitin and Shiva sir. It is said that a school is much more than the bricks and mortar with which it is built. From the humblest functionary and the generations of students and teachers made it into a thriving institution, I wholeheartedly welcome all the students and teachers of Carmel Academy. Last but not the least, I also welcome our beloved Father Principal, Reverend Father Binoy, and respected Vice Principal, Reverend Father Jojo, who are our gurus and motivators. Your endless care, guidance, and support proved that you are the great leaders. We all have experienced the energy, enthusiasm, and focus on education and learning. Our school has achieved greater excellence, name, and fame. The best and the most beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt with the heart. So with all my heartfelt wishes, once again, I welcome you all. I remain.
Thank you, dear Neena ma'am, for that wonderful welcome address. Moving ahead, let us give tribute to Saint Chavra, the founder of the CMI Service Society, through a prayer dance on a prayer song which is written and composed by our principal, Reverend Father Binoy, on the occasion of the Silver Jubilee celebration. So let us have the vibrant and smart Carmel girls on the stage for a prayer dance, which will definitely make you engrossed in the lyrics and the dance. So let us have on the stage Avni Borikar, Boond Andankar, Garki Mandape, Gayatri Gauri, Sania Gaurkar, and Sejal Dete.
कलीसिया के तारा परिवारों के पुण्य पिता कलीसिया के तारा परिवारों के पुण्य पिता कार्मेल गिरी में उदित हुए ईश्वर हस्ताक्षर कलीसिया के तारा परिवारों के पुण्य पिता कार्मेल गिरी में उदित हुए ईश्वर हस्ताक्षर चावरा संत कुरियाको चावरा संत कुरियाको विनती करिए हमारे लिए पापी है हम सब विश्वास दे हमेशा जीवन यात्रा में ज्ञान स्नान वर प्रसाद पूर्ण जीवन में तूने संभाला पुकारा है अब्बा ज्ञान स्नान वर प्रसाद पूर्ण जीवन में तूने संभाला पुकारा है अब्बा आत्मताप दिल देवालय में चावर पिता। आत्मा के मंदिर में हृदयों के मिलन में प्यार से हम आज पुकारे चावर पिता। कलीसिया की तारा परिवारों के पुण्य पिता, कार्मेल गिरी में उदित हुए ईश्वर हस्ताक्षर। चावरा संत कुरियाकोस, चावरा संत कुरियाकोस, विनती करिए हमारे लिए, पापी हैं हम सब। विश्वास दे हमेशा जीवन यात्रा में।
Thank you, dear students, for the amazing performance. Light symbolizes brightness and prosperity. It fills the aura with positivity and divinity. So let me now take this opportunity to welcome our honorable dignitaries for the auspicious ceremony of lighting the lamp, symbolizing the glorious 25 years and praying for many more bright years ahead. So may I request the Bishop of Chanda Diocese, Mar Ephraim Narikulam, the Provincial CMI Marthoma Province Chanda, Reverend Dr. Benny Mukalel CMI, the Prior of Carmel Monastery Chandrapur, Reverend Father Jose Vadakamuri CMI, our parent representative Dr. Praveen Pant, our principal Reverend Father Binoy Chekontail CMI, our alumni president Nitin Gupta to grace the occasion by lighting the lamp.
I thank all the esteemed dignitaries for lighting the lamp on this auspicious occasion. Now it's the time to invite on the stage the talented alumni, the versatile and super dancers of the school, and the school teachers for a group dance. So let me invite on the stage Parth Kallurwar, Pratik Dawar, S. Sanjeev, Sagar sir, and Sahil sir for a group dance.
ఇంతకన్నా మంచి పోలికేది నాకు తట్టలేదు గాని అమ్మో, ఈ లవ్ అనేది బబ్లు గమ్ము అంటుకున్నదంటే పోదు నమ్ము. ముందు నుంచి అందరన్న మాటే గాని మళ్ళీ అంటున్నానే అమ్ము, ఇది చెప్పకుండా వచ్చే తుమ్ము, ప్రేమ నా పలేవు నన్ను నమ్ము. ఎంతగానే ఎదురు చూపుకి తగినట్టుగా నువ్వు బదులు చెబితివే, అరే దేవుడా దాని తలోపటే పిల్లడాంట దగ్గరై నన్ను చేరదీస్తివే. బుట్ట బొమ్మ నన్ను చుట్టుకుంటివే, జిందగీకే అడ్డ బొమ్మై జంట కట్టుకుంటివే. బుట్ట బొమ్మ నన్ను చుట్టుకుంటివే, జిందగీకే అడ్డ బొమ్మై జంట కట్టుకుంటివే. Shoot song, flop song. Why this colaveri deep? Why this colaveri deep? Rhythm correct? Why this colaveri deep?
maintain please. Why this Colaveri Adi distance la moon color white background night color black. Why this Colaveri tea? Why this Colaveri tea?
मकतूल जिगर कातिल है नजर एक महाजबी एक नूर नबी रब की रुबाई क्या है तबाही गर्दन जुराही बोली इलाही अफगान जलेबी माशूक फरेबी घायल है तेरा दीवाना भैया बंदूक दिखा के क्या प्यार करेगी चेहरा भी कभी दिखाना भैया अफगान जलेबी माशूक फरेबी घायल है तेरा दीवाना भैया बंदूक दिखा के क्या प्यार करेगी चेहरा भी कभी दिखाना भैया
तो आज यार घर पे ये बोल दो आएंगे देर से फिक्रे सब छोड़ दो आज हक से अपने हिसाब में हम जो करने चले गलती वो जोड़ लो
तो आज यार कुछ लम्हों के लिए बिगड़ी राहों पे तुम पैरों को मोड़ दो आज हक से दुनिया को भूल के जितने हैं कायदे वो सारे तोड़ दो हो खुले ग्राउंड में आके ऊंचा साउंड बजा के रेड वाला कलर लगा के नाचेंगे हीरो बनकर जय जय शिव शंकर रजमूड है भयंकर रंगूड़ी दे दो हम आए रंग शंकर के मूड है भयंकर रंगूड़ी दे दो ओ जय जय शिव शंकर रजमूड है भयंकर रंगूड़ी दे दो आज सोनिया कैटवॉक वाली बेबी है तेरी चाल बैकलेस सूट विच लगदी कमाल ओ किथे चली जांदी है ओ किथे चली जांदी है तेनू पुछना है इको ही सवाल ओ दस दे कुवारियां या किसे दे तू नाल क्यों दूरों दूरों जानी है जान कट जानी है एने भी नखरे तू करना सोनिए एने भी नखरे तू करना सोनिए दिल मेरा तेरे लिए धड़के नहीं आज फिर किथे चलनी है मोरनी बन के आज फिर किथे चलनी है मोरनी बन के संडे तो लेके सैटरडे तक कर दे वेट तेरी खटके नहीं आज फिर किथे चलनी है मोरनी बन के लो इट डाउन
ओ एक तेरे संग यारा अख लड़ने लगी अख लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी एक तेरे संग यारा अख लड़ने लगी अख लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी ओ तेरे दिल के इशारे ये तो पढ़ने लगी लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी ओ मुंडा जिद पे अड़ा ओ तेरे पीछे पड़ा ओ मुंडा जिद पे अड़ा तेरे पीछे पड़ा मेरे नाल कर ले जरा
What a delighted performance by our talented alumni, and along with them, Sagar Andankar sir and Sahil Chahari sir. I'm sure everyone in the function felt the depth sound of music and engaged in the show. Education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. Education is the most powerful weapon we can use to change the world. Now, it's great honor for me to invite His Excellency Bishop Ephraim Narikulam, Bishop of Chanda Diocese, to come on the stage to inaugurate the Jubilee function and deliver his message.
The respected dignitaries of the day, Reverend Father Binoy, the principal, dear students, respected teachers, staff, parents, and well-wishers of Carmel Academy, Chandrapur. Jubilee greetings to every one of you. The Carmel Academy, Chandrapur, striking the silver years hallmark with 25 years of service in the field of education to the people of Chandrapur city and surrounding areas. In the name of the Diocese of Chanda, I convey you greetings for this happy and joyous occasion. From the annals, I learn that you have many achievements to your credit in studies, sports, music, social service, and awareness programs. Hearty congratulations. Education is what remains after one has forgotten what one has learned in school, said Albert Einstein. Education is not parroting of knowledge, but it is parenting wisdom. Education does not serve its purpose unless a student becomes a resource of wisdom, experience, character, and reflections. I pray, may the Carmel Academy continue to pave the way for such a system of model education. I wish every best in the future years. Cordial Jubilee greetings to all of you. The school is run by the CMI Marthama province of Chanda. I avail the opportunity to thank the CMI fathers for their great initiatives in Chanda mission since 1962. By this time, Carmel Academy has won confidence of the people in the field of education, and I'm sure the CMA fathers will contribute still more and better in the years to come. May God bless them. Many may not know the full name of this school, as it is commonly known as BJM Carmel Academy. It is actually Bishop Januarius Memorial Carmel Academy. Bishop Januarius was a visionary of Chanda mission belonging to the Carmelite order of CMI congregation, which was founded by Chavara Kuriakos Elias, a saint, a social reformer, and a Christian missionary. He was a revolutionary personality who took a bold step to popularize education among the Dalit of Kerala region as early as 18th century. He introduced a system called Pallikudam, school attached to every church. The upliftment of the poor and the recognition of the human dignity with equality, fraternity, and mutual respect was his target. He achieved it, and we see the impact of it in Kerala society. The state of Kerala holds one of the highest literacy rate in India. Strikingly, the motivational force for Saint Chavara was such a bold step, his faith in Christ and his family upbringing in Christian discipline. In the Holy Bible, the Gospel of Matthew, chapter 25, dramatically presents the final judgment. Truly I tell you, just as you did it to one of these, least of these, who are members of my family, you did it to me. This verse inspired Saint Chavara Kuriakos Elias to set out to offer his service to the humanity in utter humility and in simplicity. The golden principle of Christianity is, do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Matthew 7:12. This rule of conduct is a summary of the Christian duty to his or her neighbor and states a fundamental ethical principle. The CMA fathers stand for it, and I invite everyone to stand by it because it is a kenotic service to humanity, a self-emptying mission, serving others even at the cost of one's own inconveniences. Nishkama Karma. A Christian institution stands for this principle. I am sure you abide by it and will continue to do it unabatedly. I convey you every best wishes. Once again, I wish you a happy Jubilee. God bless you. With these words, I officially inaugurate Bishop Januarius Memorial Carmel Academy Silver Jubilee celebrations. Thank you very much. Jai Bharat, Jai Christ.
Thank you very much, His Excellency Bishop Ephraim Narikulam, for enlightening and stimulating message. Now may I invite our principal, Reverend Father Binoy, to present a memento to Bishop Ephraim Narikulam as a token of our love and respect. Thank you, dear Bishop and Father Binoy. As it is rightly said, words make you think, music makes you feel, a song makes you feel a thought. With this quote, I invite our beloved Vice Principal, Reverend Father Jojo Plapalil, to present a melodious song before you.
घर से निकलते ही कुछ दूर चलते ही रास्ते में है उसका घर। पहली दफा मैंने जब उसको देखा था, सांसें गई ये रहती है दिल में मेरे, कैसे बताऊं उसे, मैं तो नहीं कह सका, कोई बता दे उसे। घर से निकलते ही कुछ दूर चलते ही रास्ते में है उसका घर। उसकी गली में है ढली कितनी ही शामें मेरी, देखे कभी वो जो मुझे कुछ हूँ मैं इतने में ही मैंने तारीफ जाके उसे ना कुछ बोल पाए, बैठे रहे हम रात भर। जो पास जाता हो सब भूल जाता हो, मिलती है जब ये नजर। घर से निकलते ही कुछ दूर चलते ही रास्ते में है उसका घर। कल जो मिले वो राहों में तो मैं उसे रोक लूं, उसके दिल में क्या है छुपा एक बार मैं पूछ लूं। पर अब वहाँ वो रहती नहीं है, मैंने सुना वो जा चुकी है। खाली पड़ा है ये शहर, मैं फिर भी जाता हूँ सब दोहराता हूँ। शायद मिले कुछ खबर हो, घर से निकलते ही कुछ दूर चलते ही रास्ते में है उसका घर।
Thank you, Reverend Father Jojo. That was indeed a lovely performance. How captivating, how delightful. The tone of music is still tickling my eardrums. Happiness is spiritual, born of truth and love. It is unselfish, therefore, it cannot exist alone, but it requires all mankind to share it. Now, for me, it's the time to invite Reverend Father Benny Joseph Mukilil, Provincial CMI Marthoma Province Chanda, to come on the dais for his message.
A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Dear Carmelites, Silver Jubilee greetings to all of you. As you celebrate the Silver Jubilee, it started in 1996. A tiny seed was sown here. A journey started here. Today, that tiny tree has become a big tree. It was started in honor of late Bishop Januarius Palathuruthi, and it was started by late Reverend Father Matthew Kaniyambarambil, the then president of the CMI Service Society. It was Reverend Father Joy Parapulli who took this dream and materialized it. Had it not for them, BJM Carmel Academy would not have been here. Taking inspiration from their founder, Saint Kuriakos Elias Chavara, they dared to be different. They started a CBSE pattern school, which was a rarity in this part of the country at that time. And BJM Carmel Academy became the first private school with CBSE pattern. Here, I remember with gratitude all the former principals, vice principals, managers, finance officers. I cannot forget the teachers of this school, old and new. I must admit, in the early years of this school, it was the dedication, commitment of the teachers that made Carmel Academy what it is today. Thank you and congratulations, dear teachers. You have proved that teaching could be a real passion. And I learned it from you that teaching could be done with true passion. The motto of the school is Sambhaje Mahi Divyani. Let us share everything dynamically divine. 25 years of sharing is complete today. Sharing wisdom, sharing knowledge, sharing compassion, and above all, sharing love. Because we have the command from our Master, Jesus Christ, love your neighbor as you love yourself. As we bask in the past glory of 25 years, we don't forget our responsibility ahead of leading the people around here from Asatoma Sadgamaya, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, Mrityoma Amrdam Gamaya. As our patron, late Bishop Januarius used to say, we would like to say, we did not imitate, we did not compete, but BJM was the challenge of the times. Jai Bharat, Jai Christ.
Thank you very much, Reverend Father Provincial, for empowering us with your message. Now may I invite our principal, Reverend Father Binoy, to present a memento to Reverend Father Benny as a token of our love for him. Thank you very much, Reverend Father Benny and Father Binoy. Dance is one of the most divine form of arts. It is much more than just moving your hands and legs. Dance is a form of expression of an individual's feelings. Here comes our energetic and lovely Carmel girls to present before you a sensational Maharashtrian folk dance, Lavani, which is choreographed by our dance teacher, Sagar sir. For this spectacular dance performance, let me invite on the stage Avni Shingru, B. Shreya, Manogya Kale, Ruhi Ingole, Riya Balki, Rujul Khobragade, and Tanvi Patil.
अरे पोरी आले पोरी भारी मोडून चाकोरी त्यांची व्हायरल स्टोरी आली ट्रेंडिंगला जणू चांदणी ही कोरी चकरायाला पोरी आली ढगातून खाली बघा लँडिंगला
अग चटक चांदणी चतुर कामिनी काय म्हणू तुला तू हायस तरी कोण
कोण
वय वय कोण
छबीदार छबी मी तोऱ्यात उभी हजारांना लाईक्स माझ्या डीपीला छबीदार छबी मी तोऱ्यात उभी पोर मग मग माझ्या डीपीला छबीदार छबी मी तोऱ्यात उभी हजारांना लाईक्स माझ्या डीपीला छबीदार छबी मी तोऱ्यात उभी पोर मग मग माझ्या डीपीला म्हणत्यात हॅलो करत्यात फॉलो इन्स्टा ट्विटरला वर नंबर मागणं थेट हे भागना भराना all you boys just get this thing हे भागना भराना बिना फ्रेंडशिप लगना थेट हे भागना भराना get set before it's too late हे भागना भराना
हे आली या पोरींची बारी रे झाली या पोरा बाजारी रे बघायचे सारी नवी पुढारी नारी रे त्याचे सांगतात ऐकायचे हे बघना बरं नवा
all you boys just get this thing हे भागना भराना get set before it's too late हे भागना भराना
घड़ी घड़ी हुक चुक थोड़ी थोड़ी हुक चुक शोहर मचाए रे हाय मेरी चुनरी भी सर की जाए रे घड़ी घड़ी हुक चुक थोड़ी थोड़ी हुक चुक शोहर मचाए रे हाय मेरी चुनरी भी सर की जाए रे जाऊ द्या ना घरी वाजण्याची बारा मला जाऊ द्या ना घरी वाजण्याची बारा मला जाऊ द्या ना घरी वाजण्याची बारा मला जाऊ द्या ना घरी वाजण्याची बारा एकच पैशाचा मला मला पिता काय करता गाडी हिला भेटता की येत्या बाजारी हे सहाची बी गाडी गेली नावाची बी गेली आता बाराची गाडी निघाली तिला जाऊ द्या ना घरी वाजण्याची बारा मला जाऊ द्या ना घरी वाजण्याची बारा
Refined and well formed. Thank you, dear Carmelites, for an enticing and charming dance performance. It is very difficult to believe that what was once planted as a sapling is now all grown into a large tree. BGM Carmel Academy started with 4 staff members and 60 students. And now we have around 3,800 students and 129 staff. So let's have a glimpse of pleasant journey of BGM Carmel Academy. So I would like to invite our school coordinators, Mrs. Supriya Buldev and Mrs. Deepika Deshmukh, to announce Carmel down the years.
Today, looking here at my school, BGM Carmel Academy, Chandrapur, it seems to be a flashback to recall the 25 years of the school growing with pride and success. The school today is the result of the Almighty God's blessings at each and every step. It really makes me nostalgic when I look back. It is said that the virtue of all achievements is victory over oneself, enjoying the pleasures, surmounting all the difficulties, and passing from one step to another. It is absolutely true when I talk of my school and its success. The school has grown leaps and bounds and now stands tall and proud with the latest innovations in technology, which include the 200 CCTV cameras, the third eye vigilance, an impressive building, every class a smart classroom, expansive playing field, beautifully landscaped garden, and a student roll of 3,800 students and 129 members on the staff. The school has grown from strength to strength under the able leaderships of the principals and vice principals and the entire Carmel family. A word of gratitude and appreciation to all the provincials and the superiors of the Carmel Monastery, Chandrapur, and the teachers who contributed and are contributing to the growth of the school. The result is Today, the school occupies the place of one of the most preferred schools in Chandrapur. The talented Carmelites have excelled not only in academics but literary, cultural, sports, and many other walks of life. The heads of the institution have set the pathways so that the students achieve their goals and excel in their lives. BJM Carmel Academy was the first CBSE school in Chandrapur in 1996, a vision of Reverend Father Matthew Kanyam Parampil, CMI, with the strength of 60 students and 4 staff members, 3 teaching and 1 non-teaching staff. In the year 2001, with the committed management and the staff equally reciprocated by the hard work of the students, the first batch of 27 students appeared for the CBSE Class 10th board exam. It was a proud moment for the school and the parents to see their children appearing for the board exam, a very important threshold of their life. The school set the tradition of 100% result when all the 27 students qualified the exam with flying colors, and the tradition still continues. The light of Carmel Academy enlightened everyone who got an opportunity to experience it. It was strongly proved by the CASET department. CASET stands for Carmel Academy Social Service Empowerment Team. It was started in the year 2006. The teachers and students of this department come to school every Sunday for 2 hours and teach the students of National School Chandrapur, the underprivileged students, the subjects like English, maths, computers, and help them to uplift themselves. The year 2007 was a remarkable one when the first batch of 56 students appeared for the Class 12 CBSE board exams and added a feather of success in the Carmel cap by recording 100% result even in Class 12. Day by day, the progress of Carmel Academy proved that it has a committed leadership. The most prestigious ISO certificate was awarded to the school consecutively for 3 years from 2009 to 2012. The staff worked unitedly with the management and proved its quality under the ISO norms. My association with the school for so many years makes me proudly proclaim that this wonderful institution has been and will be an impressive source of learning for the students and teachers both. This celebration is an opportunity to pause and reflect on all the work done. It is indeed a celebrative milestone in the journey of our vision. This journey that started in 1996 has been through its shares of joys and sorrows, victories and triumphs. But what I feel important is that we sustained without compromising on values and without losing any enthusiasm and zeal that we had on the day one of the school. So this was the journey of the school from 1996 to 2013. Let us listen to the further journey from my colleague, Mrs. Deepika Deshmukh.
Work hard in silence. Let your success be your noise. Every day, in every way, we have seen this institution growing better and better. The school stepped into the next level of being a trendsetter with the starting of the inter-school football competition, Chavara Cup. This was started in the year 2014 to commemorate the sainthood of our founder, Saint Kuriakose Elias Chavara. The students of our school were fortunate enough to have the mind-blowing experience of visiting NASA and other places of educational importance in the United States of America under the able guidance of Reverend Father Binoy in the year 2015. We had the construction of the Mega Assembly Hall, which is one of the biggest assembly halls in the school setup in the Vidarbha region. We also had organized the Mega Science Expo at national level consecutively for 2 years, where more than 40 schools from different states participated. The school has also received many recognitions from the CBSE. BJM Carmel Academy was the first school in the district to be appointed as the nodal center for the evaluation of Class 10th board exams in the session 2018-19, and it still continues. It It is the only school in the district of Chandrapur to be appointed as the exam center for the CBSE board exams and the evaluation center simultaneously. CBSE has given special acknowledgement to our school by appointing the heads of our institution as the CBSE Inspection Committee members. The trend still continues as our principal, Reverend Father Binoy, has been appointed as the member of Inspection Committee and he has inspected more than 13 CBSE schools in Maharashtra and Telangana. He has been appointed as the observer for the CBSE board practical exams. He is also a CBSE resource person. We also have on our records India's highest scorer in English subject, Miss Nehali Sur, who secured the highest marks in English in 12th class CBSE board exams in the session 2013-14. Now I would like to fondly remember all the principals who have stood tough and strong throughout and had been the guiding light. Starting with our founder principal, Reverend Father Joy Parapalli, who was here from 1996 to 1999 and gave a wonderful and humble beginning to the school. We had the principal, Reverend Father Peter Varghese, from 1999 to 2006, and it was under his guidance that the school had the first batch of 10th standard. Then, Reverend Father Jose Manikattan was the principal from 2006 to 2008, and under his leadership, the CASET, that is Carmel Academy Social Service Empowerment Team, a noble venture, was started. Reverend Dr. Benny Mukkalil, the longest serving member of the school as staff, was the principal in the year 2008 and 2009. Reverend Father Thomas Maliakkal was the principal from 2009 to 2010, and the school secured the prestigious ISO certificate under his guidance. From 2010 to 2012, Reverend Father Jason Jacob was the principal, and the school once again received the ISO certificate with his motivation. From 2012 to 2017, Reverend Father C.C. George was the principal, and he started the inter-school football competition Chavara Cup 14. And then from 2017, the school continues to shine under the leadership of our principal, Reverend Father Binoy, under whose supervision we had witnessed the campus becoming more lively with the construction of the magnificent mega gate and the rich campus culture. So throughout the years, all the responsibilities have been delivered with utmost humility and diligence, and our hearts are filled with gratitude to the Almighty for all the success.
Thank you, Supriya ma'am and Deepika ma'am, for the beautiful journey. As you all know, dance has no barriers. It is an expression that everyone can feel, understand, and definitely something everyone can enjoy. To make us feel that warmth again and rejuvenate our senses, here comes the dazzling and enthusiastic girls to present before us the spectacular Rajasthani dance, choreographed by our dance teacher, Sagar Andankar sir. To present this dance, let me invite Kunjal Mehta, Khushi Kasture, and Muskan Patil.
Shire, DJ Shire, DJ Shire.
Carmelites, for the exhilarating performance. And now it is time to hear from the head of our institution, our principal, Reverend Father Binoy. So may I now request our principal, Reverend Father Binoy, to come on the stage for his message.
A heartfelt and wonderful Jubilee greetings to everyone. Dignitaries of the program, respected parents, honorable members of the staff, lovely students, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed a proud moment for all of us, the silver jubilee of this great temple of learning, Bishop January's Memorial Carmel Academy, which is founded in the name of the architect and the first bishop of Chanda Diocese. This is the day the Lord has made. Let's rejoice and raise our hearts in profound gratitude to the supreme divine power. This silver jubilee is the wonderful sign that God still loves the world and He continues to stay with us. Though we are still under the clutches of the global pandemic, COVID-19, we really understand that the humanity never ends, the fraternity never ceases, the emotional bond between the individuals can never be terminated, and the celebratory trend of the human minds can never ever be deleted. That is the reason why we as a Carmel family have decided to have this virtual Jubilee celebration with the slogan, "Never ever give up." Today, on this auspicious occasion, we remember the past glorious 25 years of BJM Carmel Academy, along with the hard work of people of goodwill, Bishop Vijayanand, the former Bishop of Chanda Diocese, late Reverend Father Matthew Kanayambarambil CMI, the mastermind of BJM Carmel Academy, all the Reverend Provincials of CMI Marthoma Province Chanda, superiors of Carmel Monastery, Chandrapur, all the former principals and vice principals of BJM Carmel Academy, all the fathers, brothers and sisters of Chanda Diocese, all the teachers and parents, all the students and all our well-wishers. I have only one emotion to impart to to you today as the present principal of BJM Carmel Academy. That is the emotion of gratitude for what you have been to BJM Carmel Academy in multiple ways. And I have one important sentence to tell you. Without your contribution, the school would not have been as it has been today. As we are celebrating the silver jubilee of this great institution, I am reminded of a meaningful story about a tiger and a rabbit. This tiger was terribly hungry and it wanted to eat something at any cost. Suddenly, the tiger saw a rabbit and started running behind the rabbit. Days were passed, weeks were passed, and even a month. But the tiger couldn't catch the rabbit. At the end, the tiger, in utter frustration and great humility, asked the rabbit, "Hey, what is the magic behind it? I have a well-built physique and much better appearance, but still I failed to catch you. What is the secret?" Then the rabbit told, "My dear tiger, even if you chase me for a year, you won't be able to catch me because you are running for your food and I am running for my life. You are running for your food and I am running for my life." Dear brothers and sisters, last 25 years, the entire BJM team has been preparing the children to run meticulously for their lives, cherishing the values, respecting the parents and elders. We taught the children the greatest education is the fear of God and never ever to be a reason for the parents to shed their tears. We taught the children to live their lives with a discipline and leads to excellence and service. We taught them to respect all the cultures and religions and be a messenger of peace wherever they go. We taught them to experience the pain of missing things. We taught them to face the harsh and hard realities of human life with courage and optimism. And life is not always a bed of roses. We taught them tears are part and parcel of human life and whispered at their ears the magic of converting tears into happy moments. That is the magic of never giving up attitude, which is the slogan of this Silver Jubilee celebration during this Corona period. In this process, our dearly beloved parents are a great motivation for us. We are really proud of our parents who are really the backbone to this great temple of learning and all the students who are global citizens. Once again, I wish everyone wonderful Jubilee greetings and God's abundant blessings for a bright future. I wind up this Jubilee message with a famous quote from our holy founder, Saint Kyriakos Elias Chavara, which BJM Carmel Academy has engraved in the hearts of all our children and written and kept at the main entrance of our school. The day you do no good to others will not be counted in the book of life. The day you do no good to others will not be counted in the book of life. Thank you. Stay blessed and stay healthy.
Thank you, respected Father Principal, for your all-time motivating message. Every word of your message has the power and impact to inspire students to be good human beings and to be smart and confident. Now it's the time to felicitate one of the shining stars of BJM Carmel Academy. She is Miss Isha Guge, who secured 99.2%, the highest ever of the school in the year 2017. She ranked third in the Maharashtra state. We are all indeed very proud and happy to felicitate Isha. She is proceeding her studies in computer science from the NIT Jalandhar. Now I invite Isha to come on the dais and receive the honors. May I now request Bishop Ephraim Narikulam to please come on the stage and felicitate Isha with a shawl. Thank you, dear Bishop, for the felicitation. May I now request Reverend Dr. Benny to please come on the stage and felicitate Isha with a memento as a token of our love and blessings for her. Thank you, Father Provincial, for the felicitation. Now, may I request our principal, Reverend Father Binoy, to come on the dais and felicitate Isha with a sapling.
Thank you, respected Father Principal, for the felicitation. Work so hard that one day your school will invite you as chief guest. And Isha, you're on the same path. Thank you, Miss Isha Goge. They dance for laughter, they dance for tears, they dance for madness, they dance for fears, they dance for hopes, they dance for screams. They are the dancers, they create dreams. Yes, now it's the time for the very talented and versatile teachers of our Carmel family. So, I would like to welcome dear teachers for entertainment dance. The performers are Mrs. Geeta Raipure, Mrs. Komal Lakde, Mrs. Priyanka Yadav Jadaji, Mrs. Sangeeta Shah and Mrs. Shiny Arun. The floor is all yours.
दरिया है बहता डूब जा तुझसे है कहता आ मेरी बाहों में आके मिल शराबी क्या शराबी दिल में जिसके गम न हो लुट गया समझो शराबी पास जिसके हम न हो ओ साकी साकी रे साकी साकी आवाज रह न जाए कोई ख्वाहिश बाकी ओ साकी साकी रे साकी साकी आवाज रह न जाए कोई ख्वाहिश बाकी
Thank you, dear teachers, for the stunning performance. I feel extremely privileged to mention about the child prodigy, our Grandmaster Shishir Kamdi, who has made us spellbound with his prowess in skating. Shishir Kamdi has brought laurels not only to BJM Carmel Academy, but also to the state of Maharashtra and even our country with his stunning performance. He had won his first gold medal in skating when he was 4 years old, and from then there was no looking back for this little master. He has not only set the Guinness World Record but has continuously won 29 gold, 8 silver and 4 bronze medals in national, state, Vidarbha and district level competitions, and has set 8 skating records through quad skate in limbo and speed skating. Shishir has also been awarded with Privilege Certificate of Distinct Honor and Praise by World Kings World Records Union to confer an honor for being chosen in top 100 record holders for excellence on world stage at Siri Fort Auditorium, New Delhi on November 12, 2017. He has been awarded with the Grand Master's title by World Records University London for the record breaking of fastest half skating marathon with all the rights, honors and privileges on March 14, 2019. He has been selected among the top 100 record holders for the year 2019 for his incredible record achievement of the fastest half skating marathon by the chief editors of Asia, India, Indonesia, Vietnam, Nepal and Bangladesh Book of Records at the Record Holders Award in Bhopal on March 15, 2019. Apart from these, he is also excellent in academics, and BJM Carmel Academy is proud of his achievements, and we all wish him good luck for his future endeavors. So I would like to request Master Shishir to come on the stage to receive the honors. Now I request Reverend Bishop Mar Ephraim Narikulam to felicitate Shishir with a shawl. Thank you, Reverend Bishop. And now I request Father Provincial, Reverend Dr. Benny Mukalel to felicitate Shishir with a memento. Thank you, Reverend Father Provincial. And now I request our principal, Reverend Father Binoy, to felicitate Shishir with a sapling.
Thank you, Reverend Father Principal, for the felicitation. And thank you, Grandmaster Shishir Kamri, for taking our school, BGM Carmel Academy, to the international level. Now may I invite Mrs. Sunita Mehta ma'am to place on record our appreciation and admiration to whom made today's event grand.
Distinguished dignitaries of the day, dear parents, well-wishers, teachers and beloved students. The school stands strong today, but very rarely we look back and see how many have contributed and acknowledge their contribution. I take this opportunity to say heartfelt thanks to all those who have been a strong support to this institution. As we heard that the growth of BGM Carmel Academy over the years is due to a very good system established by CMI Service Society. I take this opportunity to thank our chief guest, Bishop Ephraim Nariculam, who graciously blessed us with his presence and guided us to move in the right direction through his valuable message. I would like to thank our guest of honor, Reverend Father Benny Joseph, the Provincial Marthoma Province Chanda, who found time from his busy schedule and made these moments memorable by his valuable presence and highly motivating words. We can definitely quote that the school has been transformed so much in these 25 years. I thank all the meticulous principals and vice principals for their hard work. I also thank Reverend Father Jose, the Prior Carmel Monastery, for his valuable presence. We are indeed grateful to our principal, Reverend Father Binoy, for the benefits of his rich insights as well as his past and present inputs to this institution. We are thankful to our Vice Principal, Reverend Father Jojo, for his constant support and guidance. The progress of any institution is due to the strong support of its stakeholder, among which parents are the backbone. I sincerely thank our PTA President, Dr. Praveen Pant. He has always been a big support to this school. Thank you, sir, for being a wonderful part of this Jubilee celebration. A word of heartfelt gratitude to Nitin Gupta, Isha Guge and Shishir Kamri, who came here and reciprocated so lovingly to our invitation and made all of us feel proud. It is said, teamwork makes the dream work, and this dream too was a result of our school's teamwork. We are grateful to all the participants who have touched our hearts with their mesmerizing performances. I would like to thank our teaching and non-teaching staff for their hard work, which made this day a grand success. I am grateful to all of you who joined with us to celebrate this Silver Jubilee. Indeed, BGM Carmel Academy Chandrapur will glow with its light, imparting quality education to the generations to come. And many more jubilees of the school be celebrated. With this desire, I remain.
Thank you, Sunita ma'am, for your wonderful words. We now come to the conclusion of our Jubilee celebration, and I would like to quote a line by Saint Chavra. God decides your vocation and we choose it. We are indeed very lucky to be a part of this institution that has given us this vocation. May BGM Carmel Academy witness many more glorious jubilees. Thank you so much.